Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to use DALL-E 3 for free on your PC using Bing Image Creator. No ChatGPT Plus required. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to bing.com/create. If you're not signed in, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click Create One. It's free and takes a minute. On the Image Creator page, click into the prompt box and describe the image you want. Be specific. Say the subject, style, lighting, camera angle, and mood. Example: cyberpunk street at night, neon reflections on wet pavement, wide angle, cinematic lighting, highly detailed. Click Create. Bing will generate 4 variations of your idea. Scroll through them and click the one you like to open it. If you want to tweak the result, go back to the prompt and add details, colors, composition, art style, or remove what you don't want. Then click Create again to regenerate. When you're happy, click Download to save the image to your PC. You can also use Save or Favorite to keep it in your account library for later. Tip: you'll see boosts at the top. Boosts make generations faster. When they run out, images may take longer, but you can still keep creating. Another tip: if you prefer chatting, open copilot.microsoft.com, sign in, and type "create an image of it." Uses the same DALL-E 3 backend and gives you 4 images as well. That's it. You've just created AI art with DALL-E 3 for free using Bing on your PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.